Let's create one more component of the car engine series. In this tutorial, you'll learn to make the oil pan. And if you missed the others exercise, you can download this file in the description of the video and continue the series from here. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step, go to assembly, select the new component, and the parent is the car engine, and the component name is oil pan, and select activate and press OK. Hide the others component and make sure that the oil pan is activated, and go to create a sketch, select the top plane and select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here and the midpoint, make a rectangle here with 508 millimeters by 330.2 millimeters and press OK. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit and finish the sketch. And now go to extrude and select this profile, and the direction here, select the two side, and the side one we will extrude this 25.4 millimeters, and the side 2 the distance will be 101.6, and we will add a taper angle of -15 degrees. Operation new body and press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch and select the front face here. And here go to create and select the project include and project, or just press letter P in the keyboard. And the selection filter, select the body and select this body here and press OK. And here go to create, select the arc, center point arc, find the center of this line. Let me hide this body a little bit for you to show for you. When you find the center, you will see this triangle here. And make an arc here with 127 millimeters of radius. And here go to constraints and select horizontal vertical. Select this point and this point here. And select line. Click at this point. Make a line here and make another line here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 44.45 millimeters. And the angle between this line here and this one is 20 degrees. And here go to constraints, select equal, select this line here and this one. And finish the sketch. Show the body here and go to extrude, select this area and this area. We use this profile to make a cut, and the extended type here, select all, flip the direction, the operation here is cut, and press OK. And now go to fillet and select this edge here, this edge, and move this a little bit here. Select this edge here and this edge. The fillet here is 25.4 millimeters and press OK. And now go to fillet again and select this edge, and the fillet here is 12.7 millimeters and press OK. And now go to create a sketch again and select the front plane and press letter P in the keyboard to make a project. The selection filter body, select this body here and press OK. And select center point arc. Click here at the center of this line. Make an arc here with 63.5 millimeters of radius and click here in this line and click in the line in the other side. And now go to offset, modify offset, and select this arc here. Make an offset with 12.7 millimeters and press OK. And here make sure that this point is coincident with this line or horizontal with this point. And the same for this point here, okay? So go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Or go to constraint, select coincident, select this point and this line here. We made this profile. The dimensions is here. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. And here we will select this profile. And we will make an extrusion here with 25 millimeters. But flip the direction, put a minus here. And the operation here is join. We will create this area here. Press OK. Now we need to create the same in the other side. So to create this, go to create and select mirror. The object, select the features. The object, select the last extrude. And the mirror plane, select the front plane. And press OK. And now go to construct and select offset plane. And the plane, select the top face here. And the distance is minus 127 millimeters. And press OK. And go to create a sketch. Select this new plane here to create a sketch. I will rotate this a little bit. And here, press letter P in the keyboard. The selection filter bodies. Select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. We have the reference here. And here go to create. Select a point. Make a point here on this side and another point here on this side. And create a point here. And go to constraints. Select horizontal vertical. Select this point and this point here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 10.8 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this line here is 50.33 millimeters. And this point here, the distance between this point and this line here is 10.8 millimeters. And for this point here, select this point and this line, the distance here 101.6. And the distance between this point and this line here is 7.8 millimeters. And now go to create and select the rectangular pattern. Select this point. The direction, select this line here. The distribution, select spacing. Let me move this a little bit. And here the quantity is 4. And the distance between the points is 101.6. The same distance here. And press OK. And just to check this dimension, select this point and this one. The distance here must be 101.6. And now select the line, a construction line. Click here in the midpoint and make a construction line here, coincident with this line. And now we will mirror this point to the other side. So go to create, select mirror, select these points. And the mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. And here, finish the sketch. You can show the body here a little bit. And now go to hole and the placement. Select from sketch and select all these points that we made in the last sketch. And the extend here, select all. The hole type, select contour body. The hole tape type, select simple. And the diameter here is 38.1 millimeters. And the distance here is 117.6. And the diameter here is 8.43 millimeters. It's get an error because the direction of the hole is to the other side. So click here to flip the direction. And press OK. And now go to modify and select draft. And here select the pull direction. Select this face here. And the faces, select this one. We will make an angle here at this face. And the angle here is 4 degrees to the outside. Okay, so it will be open here in the top. And press OK. And now we need to create some fillets. So to create the fillet here, go to modify, select the fillet, and rotate this a little bit. Select this edge here. Make sure to select this edge. The fillet here is 12.7 millimeters. And press OK. And now go to modify and select shell. Select the face that we will remove, the top face. And the thickness here is 10 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch, select the front face here. And press letter P in the keyboard, select this body here and press OK. Select a circle, click here at this point, make a circle here with 127 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select all the circle. And the extended type, select all and flip the direction. Create a cut here. And press OK. We made this one. And now go to active the car engine. Show the others component. No, just show the engine block to make the assembly. You can move this a little bit here. And let me change the opacity here. And here go to assembly and select the constraint component. And here we will select this hole and select this hole here. And click in add constraints. And select this hole and rotate this to select this hole. Okay, it's the same hole here. And add the constraint again, select this face, and rotate this, select this face. Look that the holes is in the same place, and press OK. And now show the others component, and to animate this, we will go to relationships, joint, and click here in Revolute 9 and animate joint relationship. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. See you in the next videos, and bye bye.